Welcome to into another lectures. In this lecture, we will discuss various type of entropy functions. So, in the last lecture, we discussed about the mathematical model for information source and measure of information. Just to recap the things, we assume this is a information source and this is output of information source. Output. So mathematical model for information source, it means output of the information source can be modeled as a random variable. So what is information? How to measure the information now? Information is related with the uncertainty. Yeah, you can say proportional to uncertainty. If uncertainty is high, information will be high. Information containing event. If uncertainty of event is very high, we can say that information in that event is very high. If very low, if event is certain, so there is no information. And if so, how to measure the information? Measuring of information means you have to measure the uncertainty. Entropy is a measure of uncertainty of a random variable. So entropy can be a suitable measure of information for the output of information source X. Okay, yeah, X is a random variable. So today we'll discuss joint entropy, conditional entropy, and relation among these entropy functions. And then I will do a numerical example. Let us define the joint entropy. Joint entropy is denoted by capital H of X comma Y. Okay, X comma Y is a pair of discrete random variable. Okay, and this pair of discrete random variable is because random variable is characterized by PDFs and CDFs, either PDF or CDF. So this pair of discrete random variable has a characterized with this probability density function or joint probability mass function by this. So in the first lecture we discussed about the entropy of single random variable like this. Okay, this calligraphic X denote the set that contain all value taken by random variable X. So this was definition of the entropy of a single random variable. Base is 2. Then unit will be bits per symbol. Similarly, we can define entropy of joint random variable, a pair of discrete random variable like this. This is joint probability of random variable capital X take small x and capital Y takes Y, and this is base 2. For convenient, I am not writing always log 2, but you assume this is a log 2 base. Okay, so this is log of joint probability of X and Y. Calligraphic X denote a set that contain all value taken by random variable X calligraphic y denote a set of all value taken by random variable y. So similarly, how we are defining a single random variable entropy. We can define similarly entropy of joint random variable, a pair of random variable. As we know that this entropy of single random variable can be written as a expectation of log to 1 by p of x. Okay. Similarly, it can be also the express this log 1 by x can be written minus expectation of log 2 p of x. Okay. Similarly, this joint entropy can be also written in terms of expectation of log 1 by p of x comma y, yeah, minus e log p of xy, where e denote the expectation operator. We can prove this also easily. Now I will discuss conditional entropy. If a pair of a discrete random variable is characterized by this joint PDF, so conditional entropy of y given x, this is I will say conditional entropy of y given x is like this. You have to, this is formula of conditional entropy. You have to sum for all value of small x, p of capital X equal to a probability of capital X equal to small x into and conditional entropy of y given capital X equal to x. And this thing can be defined as summing like this. Okay, x is fixed and y is variable, then minus sum, you have to sum. Okay, uh, for our value of y, conditional probability of y equal to small y and capital X equal to small x into log conditional probability of capital Y takes small y, given that capital X equal to x. This is this is denote the conditional probability of capital Y takes value small y, given that capital X is taken value small x. Okay, so it can be expressed. We can simplify this uh, conditional entropy. Okay, so conditional entropy. This is, now we know that this is capital h, h of y given capital X equal to small x. That can be minus of, you have to sum over for y. This is y equal to small y. Okay, given capital X is equal to small x log this conditional probability sum for, or x is fixed, and then you have to substitute this value. We are substituting this value in place of this. I will obtain this. Okay, and now this 2, this term, that is a p capital X to small x p, sorry, capital Y. This can be written as a joint. Recall A intersection B can be written as A into, okay, like this. So similarly, we can write this is a joint probability of x comma y. So you have substituted this. So now it can be written as a expectation of minus expectation of log conditional probability of y given x. Okay. Now we will find the relation among the different entropy functions. This is also called chain rule of entropies. Joint entropy of x comma y equal to entropy of x plus conditional entropy of y given x. So joint entropy can be written as a entropy of x plus conditional entropy of y given x. Let us prove this. This is a joint entropy of x y that can be written like this. Okay, double summation, and this is a joint probability of x and y, log of joint probability of x and y. Okay, now I will uh, I will write this joint probability in terms of conditional probability like this. Conditional probability of x, probability of capital X equal to small x into probability of conditional probability of capital Y equal to small x, given that small x capital X equal to small x. I will use this. Okay, so recall the log property a into b. This is a and this is b. That can be written as a log a plus log b. Okay, so I will write this. So and I will get the two summation like this. Okay, so now we have obtained this two summations. Now we will see that double summation. This probability depend upon x. So I will this is doesn't depend upon y. So I will rearrange the terms. So I can write like this, and I will sum over. If I will sum this joint probability for all value of f, that will give the marginal probability. Okay, so I will substitute. Now we got this. This term is same. Now in next slide we can show that this is equal to the entropy of x, and this is equal to entropy of conditional entropy of y given x. Okay, so we can show that joint entropy of x comma y equal to entropy of x plus conditional entropy of y given x. Okay. Similarly, we can write this joint entropy as entropy of y plus conditional entropy of x given y. If this is a y, then this will be in x by y, this conditional entropy. Okay. So based upon these, we can write this is relation among the various entropy functions. Okay, so joint entropy of x and y equal to entropy of x plus conditional entropy of y given x. If it is a conditional entropy of y, then it will be conditional entropy of x given y. Okay, let us do some example. So let a pair of random variable x y, joint random variable x y, have following joint distributions. So this is one way to representing the joint distribution, tabular form of joint distribution. We have to find the following things: marginal probability, entropies, entropy function x and y, conditional entropy function x given y, and a conditional entropy of y given x we have to find, and then I have to find the joint entropy from this. This is a collection of this joint entropy function. So you know that x takes value 1 and 2, y takes value 1 and 2. Both are taking 2 values in binary random variables. Okay. So how to get the values of joint probability in this from this tabular representation of joint distribution probabilities? This term denote that this is probability of this event. Capital X equal to 1, capital Y equal to 1. Probability is 0. Similarly, this denote the this value give the uh, probability of joint event capital X equal to 2 and capital Y equal to 2. Okay, so this is 1 by 8. Similarly, other joint probability we can obtain. Okay, then I will, if someone asks to write the joint probability mass function, so this can be discrete random variable that can be, this is joint probability for small x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. So this is this, and this way we can write the expression. Sometimes people ask what is the expression of the joint probability mass function. Probability mass function is joint probability density function. Okay, this is expression. Okay, marginal probability function can be obtained if I will marginal probabilities can be obtained by summing this conditional probability for all value of y, because I want to marginal probability of x. For example, capital X equal to small equal to 1. So I have to sum these two probability. Capital X substitute and then vary y. Take value 1 and 2. So if you will see from table, this is 0 and you see this value in table 1 by 8. Okay, so result will be 1 by 8. Similarly, for x is equal to 2, that is fixed, then I have to vary y. Y takes value 1 and 2. So now we have this joint probability, and this is this joint probability. From table we can go and we can obtain these two joint probability, and sum I will get 7 by 8. So marginal probability mass function of a random variable can be, this can written as 1 by 8 when x equal to 1, 7 by 8 when x equal to 2. So this can be written in this mathematically. So from tables, without doing this, we can also calculate. If you want to calculate the marginal probability of x, so I have to sum this for x. I have to sum for x is equal to 1. I have to sum this. This will be 1 by 8. Means column wise summation. If I will sum this column wise, I will get 7 by 8. So this way I can write, this is a probability mass function of random variable x. If I want to write the probability mass function, so this is probability of capital X equal to 1. This is marginal probability capital X equal to 2. If I want to calculate the row wise sum, so that will be 3. This gives the marginal probability of capital Y equal to 1. This is, if I sum the second row, so this will give the conditional probability of Y and marginal probability of Y equal to 2. And this way I can write probability mass function. Yeah, PDF. So entropy, this is marginal entropy, entropy of x. You can say substitute. You know the value of probability capital X equal to 1 and probability of capital X equal to 2. Using this, after simplification log base 2, I will get this bits per symbol. You can write bits per. Similarly, I can calculate the y. I know the probability mass function of the y. Now I have to obtain the conditional entropy of x given y. That is defined like this. Okay. So first I have to expand this. I have to sum for all value of y to obtain the conditional entropy of x given y. So probability of y equal capital Y equal to y into conditional entropy of x given capital Y equal to y. So I will expand these summations. So y takes value 1 and 2 for when y equal to 1. So I will write this. When y is equal to 2, I will write this. Now I have to calculate these probability conditional probability entropies for given y. Conditional entropy x given capital Y equal to y can be written like this. Okay, conditional I have to sum with respect to x. So conditional probability capital X equal to x given capital Y equal to y. Okay, sorry, there is a mistake. This is conditional probability of capital X equal to small x given capital Y equal to y. So I have to calculate these conditional probabilities. I know the joint probability and marginal probability. So this is joint probability of x and y divided marginal probability of capital Y equal to 1. That will give this. Similarly, we know everything, and I have to using this formula I can calculate, because conditional probability of a given a like this. Using this I can calculate all the conditional probability that is required for calculating this. So substituting these value, I will get this for when y equal to 1, y equal to 2. Okay. So I will substitute here these conditional entropy for given y. After simplification, I will get this one. Similarly, we can obtain the conditional entropy of y given x. Okay. So joint entropy x comma joint entropy of x comma y can be calculated as this, because we know the marginal probability of y plus conditional uh, entropy conditional entropy x given y. Substitute these value, I will get this one. Alternately, there is alternative methods. First, you calculate the joint entropy, because we know that the joint probabilities. So I can use this formula double summations and expand these summations. I will get this one. After substituting this value, I will calculate this. Then using this formula, we know marginal probability, because calculating the marginal probability from the table, column wise summation and row wise summation. So I can easily calculate the what is the marginal entropy of x and y, and from table, because we for conditional entropy we have to calculate these value. So you can avoid this step by using this alternative method. First you calculate joint entropy, then and marginal entropy directly probability are givens. Okay, then I will calculate the conditional entropy by subtracting this joint entropy from marginal entropy. Okay, so now we have obtained this entropy functions. What is the observation? This is marginal entropy, yeah, entropy of x 0.544 bits per symbol. This is conditional entropy of x given y equal to 1, that is 0 bits per symbol. This is conditional entropy of x given capital Y equal to, that is 1 bits, and this is a conditional entropy of x given y, that is a 0.25. So uncertainty in x is increased if y equal to 2, because the value is 1. When y equal to 1, that this uncertainty measure entropy, it is 0 bit. Okay, for y equal to 2, this is 1, means it is observed that it is increasing, because this is greater than this marginal entropy of this let me again explain. Entropy in x is increased if y is equal to observed, because this is 1 bit, and entropy of x is a 0.54 bit. Similarly, uncertainty in x is decreased if y equal to 1, that is 0 bit, because this condition, because entropy of x is a 0.544 bit. So specifically, if given y is given, so entropy, conditional entropy of x may be greater than or less than equal to entropy of x. However, this is average and conditional entropy. Uncertainty in x given y decrease on the average, because due to average this is decrease, because this is 0.25 bit, that is less than 0.44 bit. With the example I will explain. In court case, specific and new evidence might increase the uncertainty. You have 10 evidence for a case. Now you have introducing a new evidence, 11th evidence, that will increase the uncertainty of the result of the case, but overall that evidence will help to decrease the on average the uncertainty of the result. Okay, so in court case, specific new evidence might increase the uncertainty of the result uh, for that because for that particular evidence, maybe it will increase or decrease the uncertainty, but on average evidence decrease the uncertainty. On the average evidence decrease the uncertainty, because you have more evidence, so you will give the correct result. It will reduce the uncertainty, because result depend upon the evidence. Okay, so thank you for watching this lecture. I'm taking this content of this lecture from this book, Elements and Information Theory, from Thomas Cover, TM Cover, TM Cover and Thomas. Okay.